Hey guys, what is up? Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas. How's everybody doing? I took this template from online and traced it onto this piece of paper. I'm going to get an old shirt. This is an old kid's shirt. Outline this here with a marker. And outline another one with a marker. I'm going to be cutting through both sides of the shirt because you're going to need 4 pieces of this. Let's get going. Cut, cut, cut. Okay, now you can either sew here by hand. So here, make sure the right side is in. And here, you can sew by hand or by machine. I'm going to be using my machine. Alright, so once you sew them together, you should get 2 pieces like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to fold this over, just like I did. Fold it over once, and then you fold it over twice, like that. You do the same thing to the other side. And then all I do is just close it to make sure that they're equal. Okay? They're equal, they're perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and you're gonna sew down here and sew right down here. Let's put our pins in before we forget. We're to sew 1, 2, and 1 right here. Perfect. Let's start sewing. Alright guys, so once you're finished, you're going to turn the right sides in, sew the top, and sew the bottom. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Hope it's in the camera. There we go. So you sew the top, and then you sew the bottom with your machine or your hand. Time to start sewing. Alright, so once you've sewed the top and the bottom, you're going to push it through. So it'll be on the right side now. Just like this. Okay. I'm going to iron it right now. Okay. I'm going to iron it, and then we're going to turn this over. This is where the the elastic is going to go through. Okay? So let's iron it. So you're going to fold. I already did this side. You're going to fold over one side and sew it down like that. Fold it and just sew right here, because that's where you're going to put your elastic. So this is what you should have. I'm using 1/4 elastic, and I'm going to finish pushing this through the elastic. It's Ooh, the struggle is real. All right. And now I'm going to sew these two ends together, and then that's it. You're done. You have a mask.